Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu, wey join body with friends, family and party faithful, don carry waka go All Progressive Congress APC Secretariat for Benin City to officially declare im in ten tion to run for EDO governorship come 2024. Una go remember say for September 19, 2020, Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu be contest for EDO governor under the platform of All Progressive Congress APC, where the present governor Govunor Osagie for People's Democratic Party PDP for defeat am to become the governor of Edo State. Pastor Ize-Iyamu for in talk with party leaders come talk say the reason why they lost the 2020 Edo governorship election na sake of say some party leaders, APC governors outside the state, work against the party and say the national body no support the party before the election with money, and say if not be Comrade Oshiomole and others wey raise money for the election, therefore not see money used at all.
Or being the candidate of this party in the past 4 years ago. Gentlemen and ladies, we did not win that election. Not because our party was not on ground. Not because the candidate, my humble self, was an unpopular candidate. We lost that election because our leaders outside the state chose to work against us. That is the truth. Let it be on record that we did not lose that election because PDP was more popular than APC, or that their candidate was better than our candidate. We lost that election because some of our leaders, some of our governors chose to work against our party. That is what finished us in that election. Many of you know the details. Many of you know. Only yesterday, somebody told me a story I didn't even know. Where my deputy governor comes from, in Isako West. One of our APC governors brought money to be given to the deputy governor. So they took it to my deputy, Gani. And the man said, Oga, the governor said before I give you, I should call so that I can talk to you. So he said, please call him. So he called. And Gani took the phone. Ah, Your Excellency, thank you very much. And the governor said, APC governor, is that Philip? I said, no, sir, this is not Philip. This is Gani. What? Gani who? Gani? That's not Philip Shaibu. Said no. Please give me back the phone. They gave it back. The next thing, the man started collecting the money. Said, sorry, Ogana, mistake, not be here supposed to come. Our own governor, a day to election, sent money to be given to the deputy governor of PDP. Just to give you an example of how bad. If it was a private meeting, there are many more I would tell you. But it would be unfair for anybody to say that, oh, the candidates we had were not strong enough.
A constant talk say he understand why everybody want contest for governor of Edo State, sake of say the current government no dey here or there, and say belle sweet am for the party wisdom wey dem say dem no go zone to any senatorial district, and say as dem be opposition, the only thing dem want na where dem go get victory, and say na after dem win, dem go say which district dem go favour.
We have been doing election and we know our results. What happened 4 years ago was a fluke, and by the grace of God, affliction will not rise up a second time. By this next election, we will win. Now, I understand the agitation. Everybody this time says they want to be governor. Edo Central wants to produce the governor. Edo North wants to produce governor. Edo South wants to produce governor. Our party in its wisdom, I've heard them say that there will be no zoning. And let me commend them for that decision. For me, they didn't do it out of wickedness or to favor any particular zone. But when you are in opposition, it's not the time you begin to say, let us zone. When you are in opposition, the only thing that you want, where will you get victory? Whatever you must do to win the election, win. When you have won and you are now in government, you can decide to say, let us favor here, let us favor there. I don't know whether I'm making any sense. So that is why the leadership of the party for the wisdom in what they said. But let me say that the real reason why we all want to be governor is because the government we have today is neither here nor there. Some people are saying, oh, Edo South as that governor. But Edo South will tell you, which governor? Which governor? I come from Oshiomole. I can tell you that if you are thinking we have enjoyed the governor, we have not. Oshiomole is still in darkness. We have no water. There's no hospital. We don't have a bank. Tito for Wode, our sister local government, the same thing. And even in Oredo, that is the state capital, what is here? What has changed? So we appreciate that in Edo Central, there is nothing there. The only thing they have, the state university, has been totally messed up. We know. In Edo North, after what Comrade Oshiomole did, there is nothing there. In fact, they have attempted to destroy the university there. But we thank God that it's still surviving. So what we want now is a governor that we see Edo State as his own. A governor that will develop every part of the state. A governor who is not coming as a Bini governor, or as an Ishan governor, or as an Afamai governor. What we want is an Edo governor. Formally, I've come to announce to the state exco that I, Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu, who was your candidate 4 years ago in the governorship race, that we were robbed, is still alive and is still strong and very more determined that we should win. I have come to formally tell you that I would like again to contest for the position of governorship under the platform of the APC. I ask for your support. I ask for your goodwill.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.